Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I welcome you with my bare face because I am going to show you how to get from this to this. It is going to be, I think I'm going to call it like a quick 15-minute work college school makeup. Nothing too fancy. It literally just, put some structure and it just makes us look somewhat presentable. So let's just get on and start the video. I'm first going to start with my serum. This is the Cien Cellular Beauty Serum, and I'm just going to apply right to my face. This makeup should not take you more than 15 minutes. Of course, we are not going to skip skincare because this is the most important part of every makeup. So if you skip skincare, you might as well just skip the makeup because there is no point. And now I'm going in with my moisturizer. This is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Moisturizer. So I'm putting a little blob on my fingers and just working that in. And now I am going to prime my face using the PS Primer Water. This is just a great, quick, very easy step because I'm not going to use any other primer. So let's just spritz that on our face and let that dry for a few seconds. Okay, and once that primer has sunken into our skin, I am going to take the Makeup Forever HD Ultra HD foundation stick, and I am just literally going to draw stripes on my face. I love stick foundations for quick 15-minute makeups because they just take no time to blend out at all. Plus this one has great coverage as well. And now, to save time, I'm actually going to take my Model Co contour stick and I'm going to contour or draw this where I would usually put my bronzer. And we are actually going to skip bronzer today because of this. And taking a kabuki brush like this is one from Blank Canvas. This is the F20. I'm just going to blend out the light parts, at least try to blend out the light parts. And once that is somewhat blended out, I'm going to go in and blend out the contour. You can spend as much time as you want on this step because this is a fairly important step. It's kind of a make or break kind of step. So now I'm going to take a lightweight concealer like the Radiance Reveal one from Bourjois. I am just going to draw this on like I usually would, And I put some on my nose because foundation doesn't stick there, but concealer does. So just a little bit on the chin, just a little bit. I'm taking my mini Eco Tools sponge and I'm just blending that out. And now I'm going to take my Catrice Nude Illusion Loose Powder, and on the same sponge I'm just going to see if there are any creases. If there are, I'm just going to blend them out. And immediately after, I'm going to put this powder in to lock our concealer in place. And doing the same thing on the other side. And now taking a setting powder like the Maybelline Shine Free Press Powder. Looks like this on a big fluffy brush. I'm going to load up my brush with this and set everywhere else. I didn't put that translucent powder. Okay, and for our eyebrows, I am going to take my favorite. This is the Essence Make Me Brow. I'm not filling in my brows because I ain't got time for that. But I'm just going to comb through them with this to give them a little color and volume, you know, so that we don't look bare. Bushy, right? Even though I don't really have that many brow hairs, but this will have to do. Okay, so, and just to finish off our face, I'm going to take a darker blush that will act, you know, a little bit as a bronzer and as a blush. I'm taking the Catrice Light and Shadow Contouring Blush, and this is in the shade brown, what is it called? Bronze Me Up, Scotty. Scotty doesn't know, Scotty doesn't know. Never mind, we just watched that movie a while back and it's just stuck in my head. And I am just going to apply this on my cheeks and also in the hollows of my cheekbones. The only thing we are not going to skip is the highlight. The highlight I'm using is the Model Co Baked Highlighter in the shade Rose. And I'm taking my little highlighting brush and I'm just going to mix it up a little bit and place this on my cheekbones. Okay, and for our eyes, we are just going to set the eyelids. I'm taking my setting powder, the one that I used. I'm taking a blending brush like this, and I'm taking my blush actually, swirling that into it, tapping up the excess, and placing it in my crease. Okay, and once we are done with that, we are taking mascara. The one that I'm using is the Miss Sporty Studio Lash 3D Volumythic mascara. Very long name. And we are just going to pile this on. Okay, and when we are done with our mascara, the second last thing to do is the lips. I personally recommend wearing a bright lip. This will, you know, attract the attention and it will pull it away from the fact that you are not wearing your falsies, your winged liner, or, you know, a contour or something. This is going to be the center of attention. So I am going to, I am going to use the Kiko Milano Creamy Color Comfort Lip Liner in the shade 302. And also on top of that, I am going to use the MDM Flow Liquid Lipstick in the shade Retro. And if your lips are feeling a little dry like mine today, this is an optional step. Just slap on some lip gloss, and the one that I will be using today is the Catrice Volumizing Lip Booster. Just spritz yourself with any setting spray, so I am using the Max Fix Plus. And we are completely done. So as you can see, it went from 0 to maybe 100, I hope 100, maybe 90. Okay. So yeah, this is basically what I do whenever I need to look presentable at work, and I just, you know, I don't have time for makeup because I go to work so early in the morning that, you know, this is what I do, and it literally takes me 15 minutes. So I just wanted to share that with you, that you can, you know, that you don't need to spend a lot of time on your makeup to look somewhat, like I said, presentable. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. You know, let me know in the comments down below what is your everyday go-to work / college / school makeup. I would love to know, or even show me, send me pictures. I'd love to see. But yeah, subscribe, comment, like, and also just, you know, stay here, be my friend. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.